Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Today we're going to work on number 26 on the FTCE elementary practice test. This is a great problem to review algebraic equations and types of problems where you have to do some manipulation of variables. Okay, so let's look at this one. Number 26. According to the definition of multiplication, if a times b equals c, and a, b, and c are all greater than 0, then which one of these statements must be true? Now I said algebraic equations. We said this in earlier videos. Whenever you have unknowns, variables, you're dealing with some concepts of algebra. And it's an equation because it has two values that are equal to each other. So we have algebraic equations. We don't know what A, B, or C is. All we know is that they're numbers that are greater than 0. So one strategy to work with this is we could do some substitutions for A, B, and C. This substituting is a really good way to start a problem like this, because then we could use this as a way to check our work. Let me give you an example. Let's say here are our values A, B, C. Let's say we choose values greater than 0, like 2, 3. What's 2 times 3? 6. Well, by putting in values, I've made this algebraic equation very concrete, right? I've chosen values that are greater than 0, and I made sure that A plus C equal, a new number, 6 here. So I made this A times B equals C very, very concrete when I turned it into 2 times 3 equals 6. Now I've got to see which one of these statements holds true. Well, let's say I wanted to solve in terms of B, because it looks like two of these, there's a fork here, and C and D both lead with B, so I want to see if one of these is accurate. So that would be B is equal to, that would be, in this case, it's asking you what B is equal to C over A. Now we're going to do our substitution. We have here, B is equal to 3. Is 3 equal to, using our correct numbers, 6 divided by 2? And guess what? The answer is yes. So by taking a problem like this, right, it matches up with this right here, and this right here is the same as D. By making a problem concrete, you can go and you can double check your work to see if which one of these answer choices makes sense. Now we could check this out real quick. Let's say we wanted to check to see if A makes any sense. Well, we just got to do 3 times 6 divided by 2. Does that equal 1? I don't think so. Or what about this one here, A? That's like 2 is equal to 3 divided by 6? No. Oh, let's make C concrete. That's 3 is equal to 2 divided by 6? No, sir. So again, by making the problem concrete, you can help get to the answer very quickly. I think this is a nice way to approach a problem like this. This problem here could have gone a lot of different ways. It could have said A, B, and C are integers. And just remember, an integer is, it could have made it a little bit more vocabulary type of problem. An integer is just a number that's positive or negative, and it's divisible by 1. So sometimes we think of integers as numbers on a number line, like 1, 2, 3, 6. All right? So don't let that throw you off. All the numbers that we chose, like 2, 3, and 6, are all examples of positive integers. All right? Okay, team, I hope you found this video helpful. Definitely a great problem to review, not just if you're a teacher in Florida, but also in other states like Massachusetts if you're preparing for the MTELs, or a teacher preparing for their math certification exams, or just having to take a teacher certification exam that involves math. You definitely can use this as a good way to review some of those strategies and concepts on your exam. All right, team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi team, I want to encourage all teachers that need some extra help on the math to check out one of the GOHmath workshops. We're holding them in Massachusetts and in Florida to help teachers get ready for the teacher certification exams. Check it out. I'm sure you'll find it very helpful.